Rev up your engine!
Hey there, Vaishnav here. Today I'm going to show you how to change a wheel from a car. You could be in a position for changing your car tire at least once in your lifetime. So I'm going to teach you how to change your car tire. First of all, open your trunk. You may find a spare tire inside, like so. Take it out. After removing the car jack and the lug nut remover, you should remove the car tire retainer. Simple as that. Remove it, and you can have the car tire, which can be quite heavy, but you can manage it. Place it on the ground. So, this is what you're getting: a spare tire, a car jack, lug nut remover, a first aid kit, and some bulbs, headlight bulbs. Headlight bulb tutorial will come next. But now, you need the car tire, spare tire, which we are right here. Ensure that you have your air filled in your car tire. Take out your lug nut remover, like this, and bring it to the tire you want to remove. Remove your wheel cover just by pulling the tabs, like so. Place it aside. Here you can see 5 lug nuts: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But you can use the lug nut remover to loosen. But prior to loosening this, we need to support the car on a jack. Take out the car jack. You need to place your car jack on these notches right here. This is the car jack points, which can be found on all 4 corners of the car. Before jacking up the car, you should put your car in a gear and your e-brake up. You should also choke off your wheels, like so. After that, you may place your car jack. Into the car jack on a level ground and on the jack that's provided on the car, like so. Now you shall lift the car up . Once you jacked up the car, you can use your lug nut remover to remove the nut. Sometimes getting it loose might be difficult, but your legs are strong, so get them off, like so. Remove all 5 of them, loosen all of them, like so. If you're having difficulty, you can use a piece of pipe over this, so you'll have more leverage on. Remove your car lug nuts by screwing them off. Ensure that you retain a lug nut up so that your car tire won't fall down. Remove the topmost lug nut, like so. Just support the wheel so that it won't fall off, like this, and just simply remove the wheel from wheel assembly. Scrub off the rust if you want to with a small steel wool. Oh, this is steel wool. Take your new wheel and place it. Take a lug nut, place the wheel over the wheel carrier. Place the lug nut and thread it into place. If you're having a lug nut instead of a lug bolt, ensure that the tapered part goes in first. It helps to center the wheel. Place the nuts or bolts. After placing them, just simply torque them down. I'm using a ratchet wrench for easy tightening. Just torque them down. We'll fully torque them after we set the wheel down. As a final torquing, we should torquing it in a star pattern. First this, second this, fourth, 5, this finally. And after torquing it, ensure that the wheel does not wobble. Everything is okay. Set the car down from the car jack by screwing it opposite. Awesome. After that, you should finally torque it down. You can use the car's own lug nut mover for torquing it, but I like to use a socket. So it's a 17 mil. You can also buy them for $1 or $2 from your auto parts store. Well, just tighten them. Just turn the wheels to a side so that it won't obstruct us tightening it. Place it and just tighten them to their final torque. Like so. Close. Just remember to tighten them in a star pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So on. Next, fit your wheel cover. If you have an alloy wheel, you don't have to do this part. Just click the tabs like so into their place. Like so. Voila, that's how you fit a tire on a car.
Like and subscribe for more videos.